Need help with geometry proofs? Well, this is something I found through my tutoring business, something that could help students. And this is absolutely free. I will leave the link in the description. It looks like a teacher set this up. And we can see on here that we have multiple proofs that we can practice online from easy, medium to hard. All right, so let's take a look at how this works. So let's do complementary angles 1. So in this proof here, we have given angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary, and measure of angle 2 is equal to 74. I want to prove that the measure of angle 1 is equal to 16. The only thing I find on here that glitches is sometimes the picture will disappear when you do one of the steps in the proof, but then it will reappear in the next step. So let me show you what's happening here. So what would be the first step in this proof? Well, I would write down my given information. So we can see it says select statements. So I'm going to get one of my given here and see how the image disappeared for a second. It'll come back. So if I select my reason, that would be given. Okay. In my next statement, measure of angle 2 is 74. I have another given that I'm going to write down, see how the picture is back now. And that's going to again be given. So we're trying to get to the measure of angle 1 is equal to 16. So I want to use the given information in statement 1, and I want to use this with angle 1 and 2. So my next statement would be measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is equal to 90. And the reason would be definition of complementary angles. And in the next step, again, we're trying to get to measure of angle 1 is equal to 16. So that's got to be the last step of the proof. So we know this has to be the next step. Measure of angle 1 plus 74 is equal to 90. And now how did we get from step 3 to step 4? Well, we replaced measure of angle 2 by 74. So that would be the substitution property. And then the final step, we have measure of angle 1 is equal to 16. And we did that by subtracting 74 from both sides, which is the subtraction axiom. And a lot of times it might be in your textbook or in your class, it might be subtraction property of equality. Okay? And then we can check it and it says success. Now there is a login here. I didn't choose to log in, and you can record it. I'm just doing this as practice. Okay, so again, if we go back, let me go back to the site and show you. So it's, I'll leave the link in the description, but we have multiple proofs that you can practice on here. All right, so I hope this was helpful for geometry students that are out there or some teachers are watching, something that can help your kids in class. All right, thanks for watching.